because today I was playing a obby, but I couldn't get the slap.
Yan lang. So, wala ito po. Sino pa? Ay, hindi ko magsabi
These
sino po.
sticks are the hard.
Meron po bang susundo sa amin? Kasi hindi ko po alam. Kung saan sa saan po. Yun lang ang hindi ko natanong kasi nila ako.
Okay, I'm gonna start.
Hindi, sabi nga niya, may pangbayad ka ba pang grabe ta, sabi ko, yun lang po ang hinihiin ko po sa inyo po, kasi kung pwede lang po ba, kasi yun po, baka sabi ko, hindi lang po kung
That tower was my bestie, right? Guess, my God, we are the same avatar, but our skin tone is not the same. Yeah, mine is skinny.
Oo, makuha po.
Wait for me.
Right.
Oh, I see you, but you're lagging.
Oo.
Yeah, I miss mini snag. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Hindi po namin
What's the obby when you
po namin alam papunta dyan. Ano ba?
So, what's my bestie in my back?
Yung 1620 na
And you're back. Oh, sorry. I'm so in your back.
Oh, ngayon natin ate, what's it? Iniisip ko baka
Let's go.
Kasi sabi ko
We're scared.
o lagi, sabihin ko bang 2,000
Teacher, where was I?
kaya na lang malagi, dagdagan ko.
Hey, wait for me.
No
trollers.
Hey,
wait for me.
Okay. Okay, for example ate, kung mas mahal pa ate,
I have to wait for my bestie because
oh
my God,
it's my bestie, right? You have to wait.
That's what namin.
Bro.
Ay, diba?
Please
Stop, you idiot!
Was that the bacon?
Hey, the bacon pushed me.
Let me wait for you.
Guys, I saw something.
Laki.
Secret. I want to go to the secret.
Oh no.
Let's go.
Alright, let me go to secret.
Tama na yan, 620.
No, I fell, guys.
Oh.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Make sure if you not like and subscribe for
Tapos
my
ate,
video.
sabihin ko ate, irugtong ko yung may susunod pa po sa amin.
Please like and subscribe for more channel.
Meron po bang susunod sa amin?
You think this is good?
Kasi hindi po namin alam.
Oh my God, I fell.
Why these are hard? Yeah. So,
Wait, someone slapped me.
why you telling me?
You are... I thought you finished.
I'm not finishing this, you.
Oo, yun na lang.
How about let's go continue our secrets?
Yan po ate.
Hey, wait for me. Let's go.
Hey guys, do you know Sock?
Kaya salamat.
You know where was it? I go to the single too.
Kinabahan ako.
Are you the YouTuber?
Natakot ako.
The way say yeah.
Si Kristen ko.
Yeah, because I know them.
Then but then you're the biggest fan?
Kinabahan ako.
Just kidding, bro.
Wala kasi.
Thank you.
Stop, Iron Man!
Really?
Slap!
English ba ate yun? Na sobrang isla nga hindi ko maintindihan.
Thank you.
Let's go!
I will for you.
I'm getting sand on my face.
Wait, sister,
Okay, me first or you first?
you first.
Wait, I'm on lava.
Ilapit ko si Tinsi na.
Wait, what? Ay!
Ay!
I'm not gonna
Ay!
anymore! Hey, let's go! Are we gonna finish this, guys? Like and subscribe. We finish.
Whoa! That was so
Or
close.
no in the comments.
No! Let me wait for you.
Okay, that's okay.
Why?
Yeah, it says.
Make it wait for you.
I'm here to troll again.
Chill.
Why everybody's so
7
trolly,
o'clock na
troll?
siguro ni sa airport.
I
Pero
hate
mag-antay
you.
kami hanggang 12 o'clock kasi hanggang 3 o'clock.
Oh, I'm so lucky.
Doon na lang kami higa-higa. Kasi ate, ang maghatid kasi namin hindi yung kapatid ko
man,
ate.
why everybody
Na isabay kasi
Wait.
may lalakarin sila importante. Si Kumari na ang
Go to the
maghatid
ladder.
ng si Pare.
Instead,
Si Pare kasi 31, madaling araw may pupuntahan sa
Superboy.
ikot natin. Kaya hinahatid na kami ng alauna.
It's a bacon.
Hindi siya maano.
hey look, the troll. Hey, I wanna
Balik
see
pa
you.
sila, di ba? Mga 5 hours pa rin yun. Kaya yun,
I
maaga
think
kami
somebody's
doon.
lucky for later on.
Di ate.
Look, I'm looking at my space.
I'm almost there so you can see me.
Right.
Oh,
that whale. She's so mean.
I'm here.
Yay!
Okay, I'm coming.
Kinabukasan, gano'n, kung ano. Oo, ate, oo, magsabi ako sa'yo, ate, isapin si Kuya Ray, ate.
Okay, I'm in. I have to
Na
go.
hindi ko, ano.
Ooh, circle. What's your favorite color, guys? Comment.
Hi, I see you.
What's your favorite?
Mine is color blue.
Me too. It's
I
blue.
mean rainbow.
Mine was blue.
You forget?
Because only one color is a
I don't know rainbow. Hey, such a baba still love it for. Hey, wait for me. Mama, wait for you.
Okay, let's go to the ladder.
Guys, we need to draw sleeper.
Let's go.
Nope. What did you do? What did you do? Yes.
Thanks.
Come on. Come
We're
here.
gonna play Warhawk later.
I'm not. Wait, I'm not
Another
gonna try
video.
it. I'm gonna try it.
Are you
I'm
gonna
not
send this to
gonna
YouTube?
try. Yeah, why?
Oh, me too.
Bro, what did you? What did you do? What did you do? What did you do? Sick.
Okay, I'm almost
Wait, you
there
suck.
to the-
I
No, I almost won.
wait. I thought. Oh, never mind. You're not.
I said I almost. I fall. Wait, I want to see. Okay, that's okay. Yes, it's clear. I don't know if we can finish this story.
Hey, wait. Look, we need to go here.
How do I go out?
Hey, it's so high.
Oh my god.
Oh, yes.
Someone says thank you in real life.
Just a joke. I'm not gonna try you guys. Come on.
What about that? Okay.
That's the mean. That's the mean. This is the mean. Can you slap?
Yeah.
Oh!
Idiot.
Ah!
No, I'm KO.
Bro,
What am I gonna do now?
that is too scary.
Okay, the last one's we can end this.
Guys, I know what to do. I know what to do. Let me slap that boy. Let's see. Where is she? Oh no, why is she right there? She's right there. Look. She's right there. Let me slap her. Ja!
Okay.
Bruh. Oops.
Please do not try. Okay, you're the only ones left. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Ooh, circle. Circle.
I'm 10%.
And 30%. Yeah.
I wish I have infinite percent. Yeah, no. Ooh, we got the yellow, guys.
Our favorite color before is yellow.
Yep. That's just excitement to work.
Guys, did you know, Spunky? We are gonna play this in the next video. The zigzag.
The zigzag
Oh my
zone.
god, no! Okay.
Whoa, you're so close. I'm here at the purple.
Me too, I'm your back. Ooh, nice ball.
Duh, I'm scared.
Bebe, magkatamit na sa kung yung bigat mo.
Ah!
Later.
Hey, wait for me.
Yeah.
That was so close.
Hurry up.
Wait.
Okay, I'm waiting for my bestie. Let's go. Get in. It's your shot. Ooh. Wait. Oh, everybody thinks they can throw. Oh my god, these disappear. Hurry. Wait, are we almost there? Ooh, we're almost there. Be careful, do not fall. Hey, we are almost there.
Chrissy? Oh yeah, yay.
Yay.
Because we're so far, guys.
Look at that, we are so far away.
Is that hard? Ah!
Uh-oh. I almost fall. When we fall, you have to wait for me so long.
No! Take it away from me.
Okay. She was okay, check it. Yes, your name a little bit. Because you don't have to jump when you're in a ladder.
Oh.
I see you. Okay, do not jump when you're in a ladder.
I'll jump to the ladder.
Dun, dun, dun.
I'm scared. Look. Let me wait for you.
On to the X. We're almost there. Extra special. Worries.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi. Let's go.
New thing is...
It's a stick. Oh, I'm scared. Brilliant. There's... Hey, we're almost there.
Yay!
Oh, yes. Yeah. Okay.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Please, the video is too long. Huh? Huh?
No!
I'm gonna wait for you.
Yeah!
The video's too long.
Oh, then who's gonna wait for me?
Me, I'm gonna go to the end and I'm gonna wait for you there.
Okay, because why does it right there?
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.